Hey guys, welcome for this new epic match 13. I am with Romain and we're fighting in Korgan against Loyeta Torita and Leroy.
Recon phase initiated.
So that will be very hard. Maybe Leroy is there. Yeah. He's...
The blue team captured Node 4.
Yes.
The red team captured Node 7. The blue team captured Node 3.
Oh my god, no, too late.
The red team captured Node 1.
Oops.
Blue team member down. The red team captured
Okay,
Node 5.
now what can I do?
The blue team captured Node 1.
Stroke Leroy, Node 3.
The red team captured Node 3. Red team member down. The blue team captured Node 5. The blue team captured Node 3.
That was very hard. Oh my god. No! Oh, what the? Oh, what the?
Blue team member down.
Yes!
Red team member down. The red team captured Node 6. Recon phase complete. Squad phase initiated.
No! Oh no!
Reinforcements and purchase
But
base
we are
defenses for tactical advantage. Red team member down.
Nice. Regen. And melee. Too late.
Squad phase complete. Base invasion phase initiated. Warning, Hungarian forces detected.
Oh.
Blue team member down.
Okay.
Base invasion phase complete. Recon phase initiated. The blue team captured Node 7. The red team captured Node 3. The red team captured Node 2.
Yes.
Red team member down. The blue team captured
No!
Node 6. Red Red team member down.
Yes! Oof, but that is very, very hard.
The red team captured node 7. The blue team captured node 3.
Too late!
The blue team captured node
Now
2.
I have to stop Leroy.
The red team captured node 4.
Oh my god.
Red
So
team member down.
oof.
The blue team captured node 7. The red team captured node 3. The blue
Oh no.
team captured node 4. Red team member
Oh
down.
no. Oh no, 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 no. No!
Blue team member down.
But he will get
Recon
only
phase
one node.
complete. The red team captured node 6.
Ah,
Squad phase initiated.
Sonic character upgraded for Leroy.
Recruit reinforcements and purchase
Very
base defenses for a tactical advantage.
Now he's going to stop me.
Blue team member down.
I'm sure that it was Leroy. Yes. Love that.
Squad phase complete. Base invasion phase initiated. Warning, Hungarian forces detected. Red team member down. Red generator destroyed.
One generator. Oof. 5 more.
Base invasion phase complete.
Now I have to get node 6.
Recon phase initiated.
Oh my god.
The red
Problem
team
is
captured
that-
node 7. The red team
Oh
captured
my god, I have
node
to spam.
The blue team captured node 3.
Oh, I'm going to spam. I'm going to spam. Oh no! Yes.
Blue team member down.
Okay. He's dead. I am dead. Nice. But I have to upgrade Thunder's max. That is very important. Ooh la la. Ooh no! 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 What the? Oh my god! No!
The blue
Oh, I'm
team
dead,
captured
I'm
node
dead.
2.
Okay. No, I'm not!
The red team captured node 4.
But, okay, now I
Blue
am dead.
team
Okay.
member down. Recon phase complete.
I just have to
The
prepare
red team
notes.
captured node 5.
What
Squad
the?
phase initiated. Recruit reinforcements and purchase base defenses for a tactical advantage.
I absolutely have to upgrade
Blue team
from
member
those
down.
lines. Like that. Now, and now some turrets there. Two. And I can attack.
Squad phase complete. Base invasion phase initiated. Warning, Hungarian forces detected.
You're going to die!
Blue team member
He's
down.
dead. He's dead. Oh yes!
Red team
He's dead.
member down.
Nice. Oh no, no, no. Well, I'm going to attack.
Blue team member
Blue
down.
team, no!
Red team member down. Base invasion phase complete.
Oof.
Recon phase initiated.
Good luck, Romain. Leroy is there.
The blue team captured node 5. The red team
Just
captured
took
node 2.
low in node 3.
The blue team captured node 4.
Oh, maybe that will be too late.
The red team captured node 3. The red team captured node 5.
But
Blue team member down.
what was that? Oh, we just have 2 nodes.
Blue team member down. The red team captured node 1.
Ah! Alright, he's too
Blue team
overpowering.
member down.
Look at that. We just have 1 node.
Red team member down. The blue team captured node 1.
Spam, spam, spam!
Blue team member down. node 1. The blue
Also, he
team
did
captured
his
node 3.
shortcuts.
Blue team member down. Recon phase complete. Squad phase initiated.
No, you're dead. You are dead.
Recruit
Oh
reinforcements
no,
and
he's
purchase
not
base
dead.
defenses for a tactical advantage.
We have 2 nodes. Super.
Red team member down.
Yes! Can prepare this node.
Squad phase complete. Base invasion phase initiated. Warning, Hungarian forces detected. Blue team member down. Red team member down. Blue generator destroyed. Red team member down. Base
You have
invasion
to
phase
get
complete.
health. You have to. Okay, if you
Recon
don't
phase
hold,
initiated.
I'm going to kill you. So, I'll try.
The blue team captured node 5. The red team captured node 3.
Oh my god, but
Blue team member
how?
down.
Oh, you can't get node 4. I'm sure. I'm going to kill you. Scary? Oh,
Red
nice.
team member down. Red team member down.
Oh, nice. Finally.
The blue team captured node 3. The blue team captured node 6.
Yololo. Please, can I have?
Blue team member down. The red team captured node 5.
Yes!
Red team member down.
Yes!
The blue team captured node 5. The blue team captured node 2.
Yes! 2 times in a row!
He's not dead.
I don't give a damn if he's dead or no. I'm going to get node 1.
Recon phase complete.
Oof. But how did they survive?
Squad phase initiated.
I don't give a damn for that.
Recruit reinforcements and purchase base
YOLO!
defenses for a tactical advantage. The blue team captured Node 1. The red team captured Node 4.
I said. Okay, what can I do now? Oh my god, but now this is... Oh, we are hounding now. I have to stop. Because it's a squad face. Yes!
Red team
But
member
it doesn't
down.
matter, we are just in the squad face. And now I'm
Squad
going
phase
to attack.
complete. Base invasion phase initiated. Warning, Hungarian forces detected.
Oh my god! I am dead. Yes. I am dead, okay, I am dead.
Blue team member down.
No problem.
Base invasion phase
Too
complete.
late, too late.
Recon phase initiated.
Oh my god.
The blue team captured Node 4.
Oh my god. Alone against two. Oh my god.
The red team captured Node 6. Red team member down.
Yes! I'm gonna kill you. Was it me?
Red
Oh my
team
god.
member down.
I never did. Yes.
The red team captured
Oh,
Node
yeah.
2. The blue team captured Node
Nice.
7.
Okay, respect. I
The blue
respect.
team captured Node 6.
Not free, faster.
Blue team member down. The red team captured Node 7.
Well, now I'm just going to stalk you. And you won't get any note. Fuck.
Red team member down.
Red team. No. Don't worry. Yeah.
The blue team captured Node 7. The red team captured Node 1. Blue team member down. Recon phase complete. The red team captured Node 7. The
Well, it
red
doesn't
team
matter. I'm
captured
going
Node
to
3.
get this node on one. It doesn't
Squad
matter.
phase initiated.
This is the last phase,
Recruit
so
reinforcements and purchase base defenses for a
that will be
tactical advantage.
very hard. In
The
my
blue
opinion,
team captured Node 1.
very hard. That's why I will call it epic match. That will be epic in my opinion. Epic. We can't send tanks because
His currency is paying.
I'm sure that Leroy is going to destroy all these tanks without any problem. 8, nice. So I'm just going to do that.
Blue team member down. Squad phase complete.
Oh my god.
Base
Not
invasion
good,
phase
not good, not
initiated.
good.
Warning, Hungarian forces detected. Red team member down.
Now, we have to fight.
Red team member down. Blue generator destroyed. Blue team member down.
We have to fight. Oh my god. Oh my god, that will be epic. Very epic.
Blue generator destroyed. Red team member down. Blue generator destroyed. Red team member down.
Mr. Zerpan hates long boxes.
Nice.
Red team member down. Red team member down.
Mr. Zerpan fights for
Blue generator destroyed.
You have to press the panic button!
Generator remaining.
Oh my godness. Oh my godness.
The red team.
No! 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 Wait! Don't! Ah my god, no! But that was very, very epic. Very nice. Good game for Leroy and Loyeta. That was very, very fun. Weapon notes. Well, that was very symmetric. You can see that. Oh, look, they are very harming, and then we are. Nice. And what about bolts? They don't have any bolts, but well, we have many bolts. That was nice. We had to attack, and they both attacked, so that was nice for them. Look at that. Leroy did 1919 and Loyeta 1213. And I did 1118. I'm rusty. And Romain did 1617. Well, so that was very epic, nice, good game.